is Lily, and I'm an author and property manager, and I can help you write the perfect book for you so that you can make more money. Now, I have struggled for years with my public speaking. I was so bad that even when my entire target market was in one room, I would not say a single word because of lack of courage, because of a really massive fear of public speaking. Now, I have come to Speakers Are Leaders, the workshop organized by Sardinas, and I have found enormous strength in myself after this course. I have learned so many techniques about how to vary your voice, how to move on stage, how to find the fun in you as a speaker, and how to really believe that you are a warrior, that you are a leader, that you are a speaker, and that your message will help thousands of people. So, if you are thinking about improving your public speaking, please come to Speakers Are Leaders and book your ticket right now at speakersareLeaders.com.